Hey everyone, Susie here. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hope you're all doing well out there. In today's video, I'm finally doing the long-awaited house tour that you guys have been asking for. Do want to make a couple of things clear though before I get started. One, I'm going to be going through this house tour kind of quickly because my husband will be home soon and I will be cooking dinner, so I don't want to take a really long time. I want to try to hurry up and get this done so that, when he gets home, I can cook dinner, because otherwise I'll be cooking dinner at like 7 o'clock at night. Not something I feel like doing, plus I'm hungry. Secondly, we did move in. It's been, oh my gosh, we moved in here in August, so it has definitely been maybe like a little over a month since we actually moved in here. For the most part, I would say pretty much most things are put away, but I do have a lot of things still sitting around, still packed away, still in boxes. And some areas I have not even decorated in at all. So I just want to make that clear, because I know someone out there, one of those random people that come by the channel, is going to say, well, Susie, you have all these boxes and you haven't got them packed. I just moved in here, okay? I don't live like this. I promise you, I try my best to put things away, but unfortunately, I have not been able to get to everything. I do get home from my job. Usually it's about 5:30, so I really don't have a whole lot of time to do a ton of unpacking when I get home. I usually like to cook dinner. I'll call my parents. I usually try to relax and, do dishes and things like that need to get done, but I'm not unpacking during the week. I save that for the weekend. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started, because otherwise this introduction will be very long. I'm just going to take you guys outside and flip you around and show you when we come in the front door. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen a picture of my house, but it should be on there under my reels, which says like home or something like that. So if you're interested, follow me over on Instagram. You'll be able to see more photos of the house, but I'm just going to show you guys the inside. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we are outside of the house. This is my front garden area, which I am working on. I have to put some gravel out here. I have not done that yet, so I did just plant some plants. They are still adjusting. That's why a lot of them have some brown leaves and things. They're just kind of adjusting to being here. I just planted them not too long ago. I do have some mums and some snake plants out here as well. And our garage is just right over here. But yeah, let's go ahead and come in. And I do have a pretty big porch area. As you can see, it's pretty large. It's a pretty good sized porch, so I'm definitely going to be doing some decorating out here. And right now it's fall, so I do have a fall wreath. We actually ended up changing out our lock to a like a keypad lock, hence you can see where the old lock was. Let's go ahead and come inside, and I'll show you guys the entryway. So here is our front door where we just came in, and we have a little shoe area over there, which I have my gardening shoes and some shoes I go out into the yard with. And then we have this big wall on this side, which we are going to put a piece of artwork, but I just haven't put it yet. So right now there's just some random stuff here. To the left of the front door is where my plants are, and that's basically what it looks like over there. You can see all my plants. We have a nice big front window here, which is really nice. Over here, I do have my bookcase, which I did put up, and I do have a chair to sit on. However, I do have these things in the way because I was unpacking these bins here. They're just empty bins, and I actually just brought this home from my mom's. It's a lot of my old stuffed animals that I refuse to part with. So I've got to sort through that and figure out where I can put those things. But I do have this little reading area, and I think I already showed you guys in a video, and a lot of you said to put a lamp here, and I actually really agree with that. I think I'm gonna look for an antique lamp, and I'm gonna put it right there, and I think that would be a perfect little sitting area. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that. And then of course my bookcase. So our house is basically one long room here. So we have what I call sitting area, or library, whatever you want to. You can make this room whatever you want to be. It's just basically a one big room. It's called a great room, so you can basically use it for whatever you want. You can have a foyer, you can have a big mud room here, you can do whatever you want. It's just an empty space you can fill. Then I have my dining area, which is under that lamp right there. That is not the dining table we're gonna be keeping, but it is my old one and we're just using it for now. Haven't bought a new one yet at all. And then down at the far end is our living room area, which you can see we have a new couch now, which I'm very happy about. Absolutely love it. So let's come down this way. We have our fence now. We had a fence put up, very happy about that. We did install this lighting fixture, me and my husband. That was fun. Down this hallway is actually the two spare bedrooms and the laundry and garage and bathroom. So we'll go down that way in just a minute. There is like a small little wall here with a coat closet in here. And I'm happy to have a coat closet. And then the kitchen is just right in there, also right around here. We have our new couch, which folds out there and it becomes one giant couch. So very happy about that. And of course, we have the TV and our old entertainment center. And we got a new rug, which I really like. My mom actually gave us this faux palm tree. She used to have it in her house and I really loved it. I just love it. I want to decorate it for Christmas. I want to decorate it for holidays. I'm very excited about having that. And then of course our old lamp is down here. And then there is our backyard. We do have a lanai. It's not screened in at the moment, but I will get it screened in eventually. And then of course there's our yard, and we do have a pretty good sized yard. You can't even see the whole yard from out here. It goes way down there and then it comes over here. So it's a very good sized yard. Really happy about that. I plan on doing a lot of gardening. So if you stand down at this end, you can basically see all the way down to the front door. In here we have the kitchen. This is my bar cart, which I am currently working on, stocking and things like that. It does have like a small little kind of island area with the sink here. And then back there you can kind of basically see the whole kitchen. So that's what it looks like. And then we have the sink and dishwasher over there. I do have a big pantry, very happy about that. I needed it. It's a good size pantry. Lots of space in here. Really happy with that. So happy with that. And yeah, so that's basically the kitchen. You can see the living room TV from in here, which I really enjoy. I like looking at that when I'm cooking sometimes. So I will be doing some videos in here for my other channel here very soon. But yeah, we have all of my kitchen stuff in there, my little cutting board thing hanging. So yeah, that is the kitchen. And we do have tile throughout this whole area. The bedrooms are carpet, unfortunately, but it is what it is. In here we have the laundry, which is a bit of a disaster at the moment, so please don't pay attention to that. But yeah, we have a lot of like storage things in here. My washer and dryer, of course. And then in here is our garage. I did put up some shelves in here. And I have not been able to park in here yet because I still have those boxes, but my husband does park in here when he's home. All right. So coming back out, and I'm just gonna take a peek real quick and see if he's home yet, because he should be coming home any minute now. Nope, not home yet. All right, so we'll go down this way, down the hallway, and turn the light on. So in here we have our second bathroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. We have this shower there. I need to buy a shower rod so I can hang up a curtain. We don't really use this bathroom much. Sometimes, you know, I may use that shower, but very rarely. And then we have the vanity and toilet, of course. So, but it's pretty nice. I'm going to paint in there. Actually, we're going to paint it this color. Very, very happy with that color. I like that color. We have a medicine cabinet thing in here for towels. And then this is my 2B craft room and beauty room. As you can see, total mess. And then I just have a view of the fence. And this is my husband's room. It's going to be his game room, man room, computer room, closets, of course. And you can kind of see like off in the distance. If you look all the way down that way, that is the direction that Tampa is in. And it currently looks like it's lightning over there. So I guess we have some rain coming in. And there's this stuff, of course. And let's head over this way. And our bedroom is actually on this side, which is nice because it's kind of split. So, of course, here's our bedroom. It's a good size. We have new bedroom furniture. Really like our bedroom furniture. I haven't really hung up anything on the walls because we were going to paint in here. I don't like any of these colors, so we're not going to use any of these colors. But we'll figure out some kind of color to use. So, of course, there's my nightstand. There's his nightstand. And we have our new bed. And then in here we have our closet, which is pretty good size. I'm down at the end. And then my husband's cologne collection. And then we have 2 windows here. Amazing that the king size bed fit in between 2 windows. This is our bathroom here, and I love our bathroom. It's probably one of my favorite rooms in the house. I don't know why, I just love it. But we have a double vanity, and it's pretty good, roomy vanity. We have a garden tub down here, which I'm kind of trying to decorate this area. Haven't really gotten to decorate it yet. But we have a nice big soaker tub, garden tub, with some salts and faux eucalyptus plant. And then in here is the little toilet closet thing. And then, of course, our shower is in here. I don't think you can really see it all that well. There we go. Yep, and that's our home. That is everything. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys think it's pretty decent. I like it. It's a nice home. It is a home that we were able to afford. So we really do like it and are very happy here. So yeah, guys, that is the home tour. I'm going to be cooking some dinner here soon. You know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't be too harsh with me about my clutter. I'm still trying to unpack, but I really like our house. I definitely, like when I'm here, I don't really want to leave. I like being here. Very happy with it. The only problem is we're still having kind of a problem with the ants outside. We've kind of gotten our ant problem because it sat empty for like a year. We've gotten our ant problem inside under control. Now we're kind of having ants outside. And I actually got bit, well, stung, I guess stung, or bit, I'm not sure. But I stepped in a fire ant hill last weekend, and it was not pleasant. So we're trying to get that under control. If you've never stepped in a fire ant hill, I don't even know what to compare it to, but it's burning, then itching, and just not a good feeling at all. But hopefully, I will finish getting everything else, ready here soon. And I definitely plan on doing plenty of different DIY videos with you guys here, decorating. I want to decorate for fall. I think I'll be doing that here soon. I just have so much stuff to do, and sometimes I feel overwhelmed, but we will get it done. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for coming and visiting my home with me. Let me know, in the comments if maybe you have some suggestions for like decorating a certain space, or maybe if you want to tell me something you really liked in here, or like any ideas. I'm always open to ideas for different stuff, as long as they're, well mannered. I don't know how to say that, but you know what I mean. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video, and take care. Bye, guys.